The Mercedes-Benz M278 is one of the most significant V8 engines of the 2010s, blending power, refinement and technology in a compact, twin-turbocharged package. Designed as the successor to the naturally aspirated M273 V8, this 4.6-litre powerhouse brought direct injection, improved thermal management and impressive torque to a broad range of luxury sedans and SUVs, from the S-Class to the GL class. But like many modern performance engines, the M278 has its quirks and weaknesses. In this episode, we'll break down the M278's design, its strengths, and the common issues you need to know about, especially if you're shopping for a used Mercedes with this engine under the hood. The M278 engine is based on the M273 but enhanced with direct injection and twin turbocharging. It retains a 90-degree aluminum V8 block with Silatech low-friction liners and an aluminum two-piece oil pan. The stroke and bore remain identical to the 4.7 predecessor, but piston height was increased and connecting rods shortened to maintain the 10.5:1 compression ratio. The engine features a regulated vane oil pump and a sophisticated chain-driven timing system that includes a primary and two secondary chains. Each aluminum cylinder head houses 4 valves per cylinder and dual overhead camshafts, which are controlled by advanced hydraulic vane cell variable valve timing. The engine's high-pressure piezo direct injectors allow precise fuel delivery between 120 and 200 bar, and multi-spark ignition improves combustion efficiency. The twin-turbo setup uses Honeywell units with vacuum wastegate control, providing up to 13 psi of boost and impressive torque at low revs. Intake charge cooling is managed by a water-cooled intercooler integrated directly into the intake manifold. With 429 horsepower and over 700 Newton-meters of torque in standard configuration, the M278 delivers V8 muscle with surprisingly decent fuel economy. The small twin turbos spool quickly, minimizing lag, and the combination of direct and efficient forced induction enables smooth power delivery across the rev range. The engine control system Bosch MED 17.7 monitors all systems to optimize efficiency and emissions. Paired with a 7-speed or 9-speed automatic gearbox, this power plant makes the M278-equipped Mercedes both responsive and refined. Despite its modern engineering, the M278 is not without issues. One of the most talked about concerns is related to the timing chain system. Early models had faulty tensioners which often caused a cold start rattle. Ignoring these noises can lead to extensive timing chain system damage and costly repairs involving camshaft phasers and guide replacements. Another issue lies with the oil pump's drive mechanism. If the gear driving the oil pump fails, oil pressure can drop rapidly, leading to internal scoring or even full engine failure. This kind of failure often calls for a full rebuild or engine replacement. Some early engines also suffered from valve guide wear, leading to increased oil consumption and misfires. While this issue was mostly resolved in later production models, it's still something to watch for on high-mileage engines. There have also been reports of Silatech liner wear, especially in engines that have been subjected to frequent hard driving or poor maintenance. In response, Mercedes shifted to nanoslide coating in newer versions, which provides improved wear resistance. Finally, the piezoelectric injectors, while efficient, are extremely sensitive to fuel quality and overheating. Many owners report needing replacements before 100,000 kilometers. The Mercedes M278 4.6-litre twin-turbo V8 is a technological leap forward from its predecessors, bringing excellent torque, modern efficiency, and respectable reliability. Despite its issues, the M278 can be a highly durable engine when properly maintained. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it engine like some older naturally aspirated V8s. It requires careful maintenance and early attention to developing issues, especially with the timing system and oil pump. If you're considering a used Mercedes powered by the M278, an inspection by a knowledgeable technician is a must. But for those willing to care for it, this engine delivers a luxurious V8 experience that stands the test of time.